Today, one AI company just dethroned the biggest name in the industry with a valuation that's almost $1 trillion. I'm Maya Chen. This is AInow, your daily top 5 in artificial intelligence. Let's count it down. Coming in at number 5, developers are furious about GitHub Copilot's new pricing model. According to TechCrunch, the AI coding assistant officially switched to token-based billing today, ditching the flat monthly subscription that developers loved. Instead of paying a predictable fee, you now pay based on how much you actually use the tool, and for heavy users, that means bills could skyrocket. The backlash online has been intense, with developers calling it a bait and switch. This matters because if AI coding tools become unpredictable budget items, companies might pump the brakes on adoption. Enterprise customers hate surprise invoices, and this could slow down how quickly AI assistants spread across the software industry. But things get bigger. Here's number 4. At number 4, SoftBank is making a massive bet on France. DataCenterDynamics reports that the Japanese investment giant will pour up to 75 billion euros, that's about $87 billion, into building AI data centers across France by 2031. President Macron personally negotiated this deal, and it's the largest AI infrastructure commitment Europe has ever seen. We're talking 5 gigawatts of compute capacity. To put that in perspective, that's enough power to run millions of homes. This positions France as Europe's answer to American AI dominance and could reduce the continent's reliance on US cloud providers like Amazon and Microsoft. The global race for AI infrastructure just entered a new phase. Number 3 is where things get interesting. Number 3 tonight, CNN is taking Perplexity AI to court. According to Variety, the news giant filed a major copyright lawsuit alleging that Perplexity scraped and distributed over 17,000 CNN stories, videos, and images without permission. This is the first AI copyright lawsuit from any television network, and CNN isn't messing around. Perplexity's response? Quote, "You can't copyright facts." That's a bold legal argument, and courts will now decide if it holds up. This case could set the rules for whether AI search companies need to pay for the journalism they summarize. If CNN wins, every AI company pulling from news sources might need licensing deals. The economics of both AI search and journalism are on the line here. We're down to the top 2. Here's what took the number 2 spot. In at number 2, NVIDIA just declared war on your laptop's processor. CNBC reports that at Computex in Taipei today, CEO Jensen Huang unveiled the RTX Spark superchip, an AI processor designed specifically for personal computers. Huang compared it to the smartphone revolution, saying this is that big of a deal. Dell, Lenovo, Asus, and MSI have already confirmed they'll ship devices with this chip during the holidays. For years, NVIDIA dominated data centers while Intel owned PCs. That era might be ending. NVIDIA is bringing its AI muscle directly to consumers, and if these chips deliver, Intel's decades-long grip on the PC market faces a serious threat. Your next laptop might think very differently. And now, the biggest AI story of the day. The number 1 story today, Anthropic just became the world's most valuable AI startup. According to Crunchbase, the company closed a staggering $65 billion funding round this week, pushing its valuation to $965 billion. That's billion with a B, and it officially surpasses OpenAI's $852 billion valuation. Altimeter Capital, Dragoneer, Green Oaks, and Sequoia Capital led the round. This is a historic shift. For years, OpenAI was synonymous with the AI race, but investor confidence in Anthropic has exploded following the release of its Mythos model and the viral success of Claude Code. The throne has changed hands, and the pressure on OpenAI just intensified dramatically. We're witnessing a new chapter in AI competition. That's your AInow Top 5 for June 1, 2026. If any of these stories surprised you, drop it in the comments, like and subscribe if AI news is your thing. I'll see you tomorrow.